Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating variables. Unplug all peripherals and force a shutdown by holding power for 10 seconds so the system is clean. Once done, trigger Windows recovery by interrupting boot 3 times or using F8/Shift plus F8. This puts you into safe mode options. You do this because display drivers or startup apps often cause the black screen. Safe mode loads minimal drivers so you can diagnose. Make sure to note whether a recovery menu shows Troubleshoot or Advanced Options before continuing. You now work through drivers and startup items. Boot safe mode with networking so you can download fixed drivers or use command prompt if networking fails. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, then roll back recent graphics driver or uninstall it to force Windows to use a basic driver. Next, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager and disable suspicious startup apps. Alternatively, run msconfig to selectively disable non-Microsoft services. These steps remove the usual culprits that prevent the desktop from rendering. You finish by repairing system files and restoring system state. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix corrupted OS files. If issues persist, use system restore to revert to a known good point. This preserves files while undoing problematic updates. If none of that works, make a Windows 10 USB and perform a repair install. Keep files. Troubleshooting tip. If black screen remains, test with an external monitor to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.